I'm Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel. And if you like musical theater, then this is the place to be. So don't forget to click and subscribe. And so I want to talk about the new Dolly Parton musical. Yes, finally. She is one of my favorite performers. She is so beloved by many, many people across many genres. And I was wondering when she was going to finally do a musical based on her life story. We've had so many of these, from Cher to Tina Turner to Neil Diamond, just a host of these musicals. And she is quite the entertainer. So finally, Dolly, a new musical. Now, this is going to premiere in August, this August 2025, at the Fisher Center of Performing Arts in Nashville, Tennessee. Of course, because that's where Dolly Parton was born and raised, in Nashville. And so what a perfect venue for her to premiere this musical. And it's not going to get to Broadway. I mean, that's the eventual goal, supposing that all goes well with the premiere. There will most likely, I would suppose, have to be a few tweaks along the way. But it's not going to get to Broadway until Broadway of 2026. But it is going to feature a catalog of her famous, very, very famous songs. She has too many to name. And then a host of new songs that I suppose she will be engaged in to write for the show. Probably she'll collab with some other people. She's also collaborating with Maria Schlater for the book, and Bartlett Sher is to direct. Now, the Fisher Center is at the Belmont University in Nashville, Tennessee. And I thought this was one of the really cool things. And this is why I'm doing the video so early in advance about the show. So while she's doing this musical, she's also creating Dolly U, which I guess, like, maybe short for, like, Dolly University. But she's pairing up with Belmont University for this education initiative. And what she wants to do with Dolly U at Belmont is to create these classes for musicals and offer classes with like in marketing and production and merchandising and branding, like how to produce musicals and shows. And she's going to do it in conjunction with CTK Enterprises. And it sounds like you'll be able to work with Dolly, with this company, with the university, and kind of get a hands-on experience starting with this musical, because it mentioned that participants in Dolly U will be able to work as production assistants and casting ambassadors in this nationwide search for Dolly. They're going to do an all-out nationwide search for Dolly in, like, it sounded like Dolly was going to be in stages, like young Dolly, middle Dolly, older Dolly, maybe much like Cher. If you've ever seen the Cher show, she's played by 3 different Chers in her throughout her life. I think the Donna Summer musical was also done like that, like 3 different Donna Summers. So maybe the Dolly show is going to be something like that, like different Dollies done throughout her life, or several Dollies. But it sounds like students that participate in this program will have a hands-on in the production, in casting. So if you have applied to Belmont, if you were wanting to attend Belmont University in Nashville, Tennessee, and you have a musical theater background, if you want to be in musical theater, if you want to, you know, attend some of these classes, this might be your chance. And say, oh, ding, 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 that's on my theater list. That's one of my schools. And wow, I might have a chance to participate in Dolly U and, you know, get in on the ground floor of this musical, I'm putting the information out there for you. This might be your chance to get on the ground floor of a new up-and-coming Broadway musical that you get to work with Dolly Parton herself, Miss Dolly Parton herself. So there you go. I just wanted to kind of get this information out there. It sounds exciting. The show sounds exciting. I would love a show about Dolly Parton. She's my kind of girl. Anyway, there you go. I hope you found that helpful. Don't forget to click and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next.